Därför TV.
Learn opposite words with sentences in English. Soft. Hard. The pillow is soft. The brick is hard. Sweet. Bitter. The honey is sweet. The herbs is bitter. Alive. Dead. The plant is alive. The flower is dead. Happy. Sad. The girl is happy. The girl is sad. Big. Small. The elephant is big. The ant is small. Light. Heavy. The feather is light. The rock is heavy. On. Off. The television is on. The computer is off. Start. Finish. The race starts. The race finishes. Wet. Dry. The towel is wet. The towel is dry. Full. Empty. The jar is full. The jar is empty. Beautiful. Ugly. The flower is beautiful. The monster is ugly. Asleep. Awake. The baby is asleep. The baby is awake. Clean. Dirty. Mom cleans the house. Dad dirties the toilet. Opened. Closed. She opened the door. She closed the window. Fast. Slow. The car is fast. The turtle is slow. Up. Down. The balloon goes up. The rain comes down. Quiet. Noisy. The library is quiet. The playground is noisy. New. Old. The house is new. The car is old. Up. Down. She goes up. He comes down. Young. Old. She's young. He's old. Yes. No. She said yes. He said no. Day. Night. It's a sunny day. It's a starry night. Friend. Enemy. The dog is a friend. The snake is an enemy. In. Out. The car is in the box. The lion is outside the cage. Hot. Cold. It's a hot day. It's a cold day. Full. Empty. The basket is full. The basket is empty. Tall. Short. She's tall. He's short. Far. Near. The park is far. The house is near. Healthy. Unhealthy. The man is healthy. The woman is unhealthy. 1. Lost. He won the match. He lost the match. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.